कितना टाइम लगता है एक आइडिया निकाल सकते हो 10 मिनट भी लगेंगे. So you may think यार what will happen, everyone will start talking to me. Everyone will not talk to you. So you have to reach out to 100 people, to like a temple or a gurdwara or a mosque or all these places. A lot of successful people are coming there. So especially in gurudwara when they do seva, so you are part of that, become like more deeper part of that community. Another Indian couple, slightly older than them, but just hi hello happened, and then they guys they go, you are from India, very good. Oh, you are working here, very good, very good. Come to our home, we'll have dinner. And some friendly chat happened. Next time, so they went to their home. They realized they are both like senior VPs in JP Morgan. So any product that any creative ideas you might have, you can come here.
Any product, not related to engineering or anything, it's related to any other thing.
An Indian student. So we have a lot of research happening here, different kinds of mechanical, quantum research happening. So a lot of work, different work being happening in the ARC Center. And that was definitely in quantum mechanics. It was one of our Indian students doing that research.
So they are deciding to sell the beer to the students or staff.
Yeah, so that's another reason for coming to your university.
If you are looking to study abroad, then watch this full video and subscribe to our channel to stay updated.
स्टार्सक्लेट बहुत छोटा है मेरे कॉलेज के हिसाब से.
जब मैंने पूछा कि स्ट्रैटक्लाइड से कंपेयर करो तब मान पीछे मुड़ सकता हूँ साला क्या बोल रहा है.
जब इसने कोर्स से कंपेयर करा था.
हाँ बेटा मैं आपको बता क्या सही.
अबे कोर्स तो मेरा ही अच्छा था भाई.
अगर इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स में जाना था तो मैनेजमेंट.
अरे तो हो गया ना, पता चल गया ना अब क्या करना है, आगे क्या करना है, अब तो पता चल गया. यहाँ से फिर शहर आ जाएगा. इसका इस यूनिवर्सिटी के एसी ने पुराना बिल्डिंग्स के बीच में ना हर जगह नया बिल्डिंग्स बन रहा है. और मेरा मैनेजमेंट के सेमेस्टर में जो बताया था वो जो व्हाइट कलर की बिल्डिंग हो रही है उस तरफ, तो उसमें होगा मेरा मैनेजमेंट. और नया बिल्डिंग बन गया मैनेजमेंट के लिए, पूरी कोर्सेज उसमें.
That's the business school.
या बिजनेस स्कूल.
Which building is this one?
ये मैथमेटिक्स एंड स्टैटिस्टिक्स में कभी गया नहीं है. यहाँ बात कर सकते हैं. और कुछ क्वेश्चन आ रहे सर आपके दिमाग में, क्योंकि फिर अगले साल आके क्वेश्चन पूछने वाला है. सोच लेना कि ऐसे ही
अगले साल आकर के we'll ask you different questions that how did you get your full time job? That's the question I want to ask.
Thank you.
So so tell, you were wanting to share about these buildings here, Jaya. So what
This building, we just call it ARC. It's Advanced Research Center. If you are having any...
The red building.
The red building. If you are having any ideas or if you want to make something product, you can just get here and you can discuss with your professor. You can get funding and you can actually make the product what you have desired.
So any product that any creative ideas you might have, you can come here.
Any product, not related to engineering or anything, it's related to any other thing. So you can just come here and you can submit your proposal. So the specific professor will guide you. So even you will get the guidance and you can make the product if you want anything. And
Any products you know that somebody has recently been approved for?
I'm not sure, but I do know. But this building is well known for the new projects or new product. So we need a lot of equipment to make the right. For example, if you want to make a prototype, you have to need everything from 3D printing.
This is School of Health and Wellbeing.
हाँ, ये तो शायद वही होगा फिर.
वो वाला आर्क है पीछे.
उसमें भी लाल है, चल जाएगा. यार चालू करेंगे. क्या हुआ भाई? यार वो मैनेजमेंट की होना चाहिए था आखिरी वाले. हाँ चलो बात करते. हाँ वहाँ से वो शीशा दिखाएंगे, अंदर एंट्रेंस दिखाएंगे. शायद ये काम का इतना नहीं आएगा, लेकिन बस लंबा बीच में रख दीजिए लंबा होने के लिए. शायद ये कोई आके बनाने वाला, इंडिया आके या इसमें बनाने वाला कोई सीन नहीं है, लेकिन बाहर से दिख जाता है. अंदर हम लोग को बाहर लगाता है. स्टूडेंट ने डेमो के लिए ऐसा ऐसा बनाए करके छोटी छोटी चीजें एंट्री में लगाता है. पहले लगाया था.
Okay. Let's see if we can
I think
see something inside.
जा सकता है अंदर, लेकिन टाइम 5 नहीं बजा तो जा सकता है. देखते हैं एंट्री है कि नहीं.
So even though the university is very old, there are still a lot of construction happening in the background.
The construction is of a brewery project.
Yeah.
So they are deciding to sell the beer to the students or staff.
Yeah, so that's another reason for coming to your university. I think we've been walking around for almost an hour now, and the university has not finished.
This is the entry, so I think let's have.
This is the Mazumdar Shaw Advanced Research Center. You can go check inside.
Sure.
You can see there are a lot of floors with some high-tech labs here for chip design. An Indian student.
Work on superconducting quantum circuits. So we built processors out of very novel materials which are superconducting in nature, which contain quantum bits or qubits. They are just like classical processors that we have in our phone. Classical bits are either 0 or 1, but a quantum bit or qubit can be 0 and 1. We can process these thousands bits of data in one go within school.
So we have a lot of research happening here, different kinds of mechanical, quantum research happening, environmental. So a lot of work, different work being happening in the ARC Center. And that was definitely in quantum mechanics. It was one of our Indian students doing that research. तुम्हारा बिजनेस स्कूल कहीं आ रहा है?
इसके बगल में ही है, इसके बगल वाले
इसके
बिल्डिंग
पीछे वाला
वही सेम डिजाइन में आता है तो कंफ्यूज होगा। सेम वही है, वो बिजनेस है आखिरी वाला।
एडम स्मिथ, उसने इसी एडम स्मिथ के आगे फोटो लगाया हुआ था बंदे ने।
हाँ, ये वही जो फेमस है उस चीज के लिए उसका नाम लगा देता है।
This is the Adam Smith Business School. Again, I think this is very popular among Indian students who come for programs in investment banking and finance. And later today, we are meeting one student from this university who studied investment banking and finance and now working at NatWest in a full-time job as a finance controller. So we're going to be meeting Harsh very shortly. And this is where he studied. So to like a temple or a gurdwara or a mosque or all these places. A lot of successful people are coming there. So especially in Gurudwara when they do seva, so you are part of that, become like more deeper part of that community. So that's also a good way to, understand people who have been living there. तो लिख दिया कि भाई मैंने आज ये काम करा, मैंने आज ये सीखा, आज मैं पीयूष भारती से मिला.
So guys, let's take a small pause and let me tell you that I counsel hundreds of students looking to study abroad every month. And I am here to help you guys, not just with understanding your profile, which country or university is the best one for you, but help you through the admission process. And me and my team will get you your visa on time. And if you want a one-on-one counseling session with me, please go into the description. There is a link to my Calendly and you can book a one-on-one slot with me. And let's get back to our video now.
आज में हम ये दो दोस्त थे, हम ये मतलब किस चीज़ का शौक है तेरे को? स्पोर्ट्स खेलने। अब मैं आज हमने ये मैच देखा, उस मैच से हमने क्या सीखा? नहीं भी समझ में आ रहा, चैट जीपीटी में डालो, डाल करके वो आपको बता देगा क्या लिख सकते हो।
इंस्टा पे पोस्ट करने से अच्छा लिखने।
हाँ, भाई अभी तुम्हारे लिए इंस्टा क्या करेगा? इंस्टा प्रोफाइल तुम्हारे को ढूंढने थोड़ा आएगा, तुम लोग लिंक्डइन सब जगह बता रहे, हर बंदा देख रहा है कि हाउ मच डू यू नो, how real you are on LinkedIn. मैं आपको दिखाता हूँ, क्योंकि मैं भी काफी टाइम से ट्रैवल कर रहा हूँ, तो मैं पोस्ट नहीं कर पा रहा, बट आई शेयर। क्योंकि अब हम जैसे मेरा वेबिनार था, इट वाज ऑन लाइव ऑन LinkedIn also. So what happens is when you go, so it knows, okay, this guy did a live about reality of Indian students. कुछ live जा रहे थे तो वो LinkedIn पे भी जा रहे थे. So it looks like, okay, this guy is not shy of talking about his passion of it, like whatever he's passionate about. So he's making a lot of content around this. Who did he meet? There was something talking on Canada also. Canada also. तो अभी क्योंकि काफी टाइम से वो चल रहा है, तो अदरवाइज आई वाज राइटिंग अबाउट यूएसए के वीजा के ऊपर क्या चल रहा है, कमेंटिंग ऑन समबडी एल्सेस पोस्ट। अब अंदर देखिए पूरा स्क्रॉल करते जा रहा है, बंदे को भी समझना कि यार ये जो बंदा है ये स्टडी अब्रॉड के बारे में
इस
हाँ, अब आपको लगता है कि आपको कोई लिंक्डइन खोल रहा है, वो लिंक्डइन खोल के आपकी फोटो थोड़ा ना दिखनी है उसको, नाम छोड़ना पड़ना है, आपका कॉलेज छोड़ना देखना है, वो सब तो रिज्यूम पढ़ चुका। वो ये देख रहा है, वो देख रहा है कि अगर आप पोस्ट कर रहे हो तो आप कॉन्फिडेंट, दूसरा अगर आप कंसिस्टेंटली पोस्ट कर रहे हो तो आप नॉलेजेबल भी हो। अगर आपने 50 पोस्ट है, अब आज अभी आप कह रहे हो आपकी 6 महीने कोर्स खत्म होने में, 6 महीने मतलब कितने हो गए, 180 दिन हो गए। अब आप मान के चलो कि आपको हर 2 दिन में एक पोस्ट डालना है। जिस दिन आप पहली फर्स्ट टाइम फुल टाइम जॉब के लिए आप एलिजिबल होंगे, आप पहले भी हो सकता है अप्लाई कर लो, आपके कम से कम 90 पोस्ट होंगे। तो बंदा, मैंने कोई 90 थोड़ा ना क्रॉस कर पाया, अगर कोई इतना टाइम लगा दिया तो उसमें तो पहली नौकरी दे दी, इंटरव्यू भी नहीं करेगा बंदा, आपके ऊपर के 5 7 10 पोस्ट देखेगा, बट वो ऐसे स्क्रोल मार विद देयर यार इनफाइनाइट है। आफ्टर अ व्हाइल अब मैं खुद ही बोलूँगा, मैंने यार इतने जरा आए जा रहा है, तो आप मान के चलो आपको एवरी 2 days you post. There's a certain threshold of 50 to 75 posts if you have, and making a post very easy. I'll show you that. तुम्हारा चैट जीपीटी को पैसे दे रहे हो, इस्तेमाल तो करो यार। ये सब जो है ना, ये हमें लगता है कि हमारे पास टाइम नहीं है, ये नहीं है, वो नहीं है। Had a great conversation today with 2 students from Glasgow, both of Indian origin, pursuing electronics in Scotland. Their eyes lit up when they spoke about the depth of lab work, the flexibility to explore AI and semiconductor pathways, and the ecosystem that Scotland offers for electronics graduates. We discussed how the future of electronics is tied to AI hardware, IoT infrastructure, sustainable energy. Always inspiring to learn directly from students living this journey, taking risks, and building a future from home. Are they? Done? कितना टाइम लगता है?
थैंक यू।
एक आइडिया निकाल सकते हो 10 मिनट भी लगेंगे, है ना? मैंने अब बस से उतरने से पहले लगाना चाहिए, तो बस नहीं करना है, because that will give you also a lot to talk about.
All your possessions with you at all times.
Slightly older than them, but just hi hello happened, and then they say, you are from India, are very good. Oh, you are working here, very good, very good. Come to our home, we'll have dinner. And some friendly chat happened. Next time, so they went to their home. They realized they are both like senior VPs in JP Morgan. Now they were senior VPs in JP Morgan. Now the value is not that they will give me referral, right? What I can get from them, I can learn from them. I can learn that if I am interviewing with a large bank, what will happen? What is going in their minds? And of course, since if you are able to show that you are really good with them, getting a referral from a senior VP at JP Morgan is very, very valuable. It's somebody there like, okay, now I've known this person for 3 months, hardworking guy, and so I'm referring. Because people don't refer just like that unless they know you. That is why I'm saying when you are on reaching out on LinkedIn, also you need to build some conversation with them. Because they should figure out, they should feel that, okay, this person is sincere. It will not happen in one conversation. It will happen 2, 3, 5 conversations. But even if you want, you will not be able to reach 5 conversations with 100 people. So you may think, yeah, what will happen is everyone will start talking to me. Everyone will not talk to you. So you have to reach out to 100 people. Maybe 2, 3, 4. If that happens, you are lucky. Most of them will not even accept your connection. So you have to reach out to 1,000, then 40, 50 conversations will happen. So it's like you have to be at it.
So if you like this content, please subscribe to our channel and I will see you all in the next video.